Hi everyone. Good morning to one and all. Now here I am interested to explain regarding capstone project for this particular online teaching. So under that IUCE. So I'm from VVAT Engineering College from the Guntur. Myself is Dr. Lakshman Naik, and I'm working as an associate professor in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. So here I want to give that step-by-step process for the creation of the this particular online courses for my students, and what are the contents I involve in this particular course, that is that LSM. I'll explain this one. So in this particular project here I want to consider this particular case is nothing but here my outlines are, so this particular outlines nothing but, so here I want to concentrate it to give that process how students enrollment took place in that particular online course, and I created so many modules, and also syllabus of framing was done, and I inserted that the syllabus in that particular course also. And in this particular capstone project, I involved some assignments and quiz and evaluation process. And also I uploaded that some practical example problems. And also in that particular project, I inserted that graded discussions also. So along this particular case, so I was selected. So there are three LSM are suggested from that IUCE. So here I selected for Canvas, and this is the particular link for my subject in Canvas. So that particular subject is hosted by this particular link here. So this is that particular link I want to giving this particular. So therefore, so coming to that this particular link, so I created that particular course. Online course is nothing but control system for my students. So here, so my this particular course consists, so here I want to, this is the course so for second year and the second sem, and like that. So now, so here this particular course requires some prerequisites. Those are nothing but Laplace transform and differential equation, matrix algebra, basic circuit analysis, like that. So after completion of this particular course, the students are able to, so the course objectives here are nothing but, so here these are that very important course objectives are there. So in this particular case, now these are that syllabus. So let us consider this is that column, this is one unit number 1, and this is the content and the map, COPO mapping, like that. So this is that there are 5 units are there in this particular online course. So and then after this one, some quizzes and some assignments are there. So I inserted, and I will explain all those things in future. So coming to that after, so this one, so coming to this particular case, so here for this particular course, so these are that people inserted. So these are that people, so these are the students enrolled for this particular subject. So here this is that Akila, and some process is going on, and the she is enrolled for this particular control system subject as a students. And so myself is nothing but I am, this is I edited and filled all my information, but students need to fill the details here. So this is myself is Dr. Lakshman Naik, and this is my VVIT, my college mail ID, and I am that teacher or instructor for this particular control system, and I created this particular course at this particular date. This is September 25th. So now, so all these are that my students, and in that way, so these are that various students people enrolled for my subject. So this is the course. And regarding coming to this particularly, so this is the so coming to that pages. So these I created the pages, and I instructed to my students who enrolled for my subject, that is the control system. I gave that attendance rules and regulations. So up to for what percentage of that particular attendance, so some people will enter into the class and they will leave. So but at least they need to stay in the class up to and minimum 45%, then only they will get that attendance. Otherwise they can't get that attendance for this particular classes. And also I represented, so I informed and forwarded that rules and regulations for the students. And these are that some rules and regulations, and the class starting period is 9:30 a.m. Some general code of conduction, and along with this so the people, how the people will be followed, followed in the library. So the services hours and like that I mentioned, so they can use that particular information. So is there any disciplinary violations are there? Some penalties also there. So like that, some ragging penalties also mentioned in this particular course. So these are that very important information regarding that when they are entering into that college campuses and like that. I gave that so general code of conduction and all these rules and regulations for my students. After that, I created so many files here. So my files here are nothing but, so see here, this particular file. So the files are there. Those files are nothing but COPO mapping. So for this particular case subject, how the CO and PO is mapping, and links for the subject. So if anybody want to refer this particular subject in the various social media platform, so some links also provided for the students, and module 1 and module 1 assignment also created. After completion of this particular module, they need to submit the assignment here, and module 2 is also there, and module 2 assignments also created, and module 3, and this is the timetable. Now I want to show you that this particular COPO mapping for this particular online course. That course is nothing but control system. So here this particular system consists, so there are five modules are there, five courses, so five modules are there. So that, and these are nothing but COPO mapping. So COPO mapping, and this is the PSO, PSO and CO mapping are mapping is there. So all that information is created, and we are these are that justifications are also there. So those justifications also there. Now I want to show you the links for the subject. So various links are there. These are that NPTEL link, and these are that link. And one information also said to that my students, data books to be allowed in the examinations. For this particular subject, no books will be allowed in the examinations. Like that information they need to get from this particular subject, so that all rules and regulations also they will say. And this is my timetable, so individual timetable shared in that particular canvas LSM. So this is my timetable here. So these are that my individual timetable, and all these things I shared, so that the people, so students are clear at what time they need to enter, and like that all the information will be there. So all these are that various files I uploaded in that particular subject capstone project. Now coming to that syllabus. So I already uploaded, this is that syllabus. So regarding this syllabus and all these things, course outcomes. So this is the detailed syllabus are there. There are 5 units are there. And along this one, this is that a fundamental mathematical modeling of this particular control systems, and various concepts are there. So whether that all the topics are covering in that particular online courses or not, so people can students can able to check that syllabus coverage, and they can find and they can download this particular copy for their references. So after that, so outcomes. Now I frame this as these are that various outcomes, frame this one. So this is that source. So here these are that my outcomes here. After completion of this the course, the students are able to, so able to catch the particular information from this online courses. Let us consider this is that course outcome one. So this in so after completion of this particular course, the people students are able to derive the transfer function using the block diagram algebra and signal flow graph. And that so knowledge levels are also provided. So how the students will get that information. And after that, let us consider for coming to that fourth chapter module. So that is nothing but after completion of this particular module, the students are able to analyze the stability using the Bode plot and Nyquist criterion. So like that information, the students will get that information after completion of that particular module. Like that, the fifth module also, after completion of this fifth module, the students are able to obtain the state models and understanding the concept of the controllability and observability. And that particular level applies, that is the apply level, KLT, and so some levels or knowledge levels are there, so people will get these points. So these are that some information. And mastery class, this is the 3 credit course and all these things I provided. So the people, so these are that various outcomes. Now coming to that, so these are that modules we created, that modules are there. So here, so I created module 1. So in that particular one, I want to explain that introduction part. So if you want to if you want to check that, so module 1 consists of which topic, if the people want to check it, so they can find that a particular module 1 course, module 1 information. And here from this particular information, the people can download this particular file here also. So this is the module 1. In that particular module 1, I am concentrating on that this particular information. So people will so get that information. And after completion of this particular module, so they need to submit that particular module assignment also. So here, for module 1, and at the same time I gave that, I provided the assignment questions also here. And similarly for module 2, let us consider this is the time responses of a control system, module 2 and module 2 assignment, like that. So I created 5 modules, and 5 module questions and quizzes are there, like that we inserted. So after that, so this is nothing but quizzes. So quiz also provided here. So CS quiz after completion of this particular module and all these things, the due course is provided here October 20, and the time is nothing but 19, and this is 11 a.m. So up to that point, the students allowed to submit that particular quiz questions, like that. I provided this particular, so I provided this particular course also. So that is nothing but this is the assignment 1 and CS1 also, like that. So and these are that various, so these are that these are that various WhatsApp conversations for this online classes. So this particular student is sent me that testimonial from the students, and she is a very, so Rama Bhargavi, and she is saying, sir, I'll doing, sir, I doing it, sir. I will send you tomorrow. So she is ready to send that particular information from this one, and also she sent this particular video, and so I congratulated to him. So this particular student, like that, social media and WhatsApp conversations are also there. So in this particular capstone project, and this is that information. So after that completion, I want to get the feedback from whether the course content met with your expectations or not. So from this particular information, I provided, this is the feedback form for the students, whether they are getting clear information or not. So in that way, I want to explain this one. So these are that clear information which what we learned from this particular various concept in this particular IUCE webinar and online teaching classes. So it's a really very interesting and really helpful course for the people like me. And I want to thank to all the instructors, and Krishna Vedula sir, and all the teams who supported for the completion of all this project. So thank you one and all. Thank you, thank you, thank you one and all. Thank you.